Welcome back. I am getting ready to head out right now, but my hair is completely flat from earlier, so I thought I would show you guys how I curl my hair. Sorry, there's like something in my eye. Okay, I think I'm okay. Okay. Okay, no, I'm not okay actually. I wish there was someone here to like help me blow in my eye and figure out. Okay, I think I got it. It only took me like 20,000 hours. And I really need to fix my posture. I feel like I have really bad posture. You can kind of see it in the video that I did with Calvin on FK and deliciousness. I think this is good, right? Maybe, yeah. So flat and curled. Okay. Hi guys, I am so sorry. My camera battery died, but this is the final look. I usually like to put it on, like one on the side, because when I put both in the front it looks like a little bit like too much hair. But anyways, I really appreciate you guys watching my video. It's been a really long day today, and just knowing that someone's watching this later makes me feel a little less lonely in a weird way. I mean, does that even make any sense? Because I'm still like alone, but anyways, thank you, I appreciate you, and yeah, so wish me luck for tonight, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. I'm flying back to LA tomorrow, and then LA to Vancouver on Monday, so yeah. Oh my god, I'm so sorry, the TV is so loud, but I'm watching What a Girl Wants, starring Amanda Bynes, and it's one of my all-time favorite movies, because I'm totally going off track right now, but I love this movie because, you know, Amanda's a little bit kind of not the most proper girl in this movie, in a sense where she's not the ideal woman that fits into her father's society, and there's this man who just lets her know that, hey, you know, you're not supposed to fit in, and you're amazing just as you are. I gotta head out now, so I will talk to you guys later. Bye.